Uh-oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today we are here in this beautiful sunny day. It's a Sunday, so yesterday sucked. It was really cloudy and gross. But anyways, we do have a whole bunch of rigs behind us. We are at Reading Famous Off-Road, and yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. We're Famous Reading Off-Road, whatever. I always mess that up. But either way, we're gonna get muddy today, and it's gonna be a good day.
We got the stock 4Runner, making it look easy. He doesn't sound too happy.
No.
Yeah, these old Dodges don't like water at all. You can do it! You can do it! We got like 3 cylinders maybe.
Come on, honey.
Oh, 4, 5, 6. It'll be
Guys, like my
fine.
two-step?
May not be pretty, but should get you home.
What do you think, Nate? You having fun?
Oh yeah.
The old $500 Jeep's holding up.
It is. My feet are even getting washing through the floor.
There you go. That's speed holes.
Yeah. Found some holes I didn't know.
I mean, if the water can come in, the water can get out. So,
quick.
yeah, you're good to go.
Here we go. We got another rough country right here.
Got that right.
All right, and now getting towed in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. Dakota.
All right, so we got the Dakota up the hill backwards because it doesn't have any tow hooks on the front. And I have the longest tow strap in the planet. But we got them up anyways without any issue. then we found out that his intake had fallen off, and I guess he was sucking in some water, so it wasn't enough to kill the old Dodge, but it was enough to give it a sniffle. So we tightened that up, and hopefully he can make it through the rest of the day. So we got the BF Goodrich 35-inch ATKO2s, and we're running the Rough Country 6-inch suspension lift with the Vertex coilovers. And when you go over bumps, you can just feel how well the coilovers absorb all the impact and all of that. I have my tires at about 30 PSI, so a little bit soft, and which works out pretty well. And yeah, we've had no trouble whatsoever with traction. Everything is nice and quiet and soaking up the bumps like a champion. And also Martin is running a 3.5-inch Rough Country on his Toyota as well. So we're definitely putting our Rough Country stuff to work today. And honestly, I've been out on this truck already, out at this place. And if you guys watched that last video, you can see all the stuff that we went through. And this thing has been working absolutely amazing. So we're trying to find the road that we went on the last time. I think this is it. We just kind of went a little bit up and around because last time we did the turn right here. And you can see it is quite a bit of a angle sideways. So just in the, I guess, the light of safety, we try to go up and around a little bit, kind of make it easier for everybody. See if just get through this without anybody getting too worried about stuff. Oh no, rocks. I hear some rocks on the skid plate. Let's try to go this way a little bit. There we go. That sounds like less carnage. But that's what these trucks are made for. What's the point of having an off-road vehicle that you're not going to actually take off-road? Well, there it is, everybody. Our little trip over to Famous Reading Off-Road. And as you can see, the Rebel has been muddier than this, but we need to clean it up now because, yeah, there's a whole lot of coal dust and all kinds of stuff all over this thing, but that's what it's made for, so it's no big deal. We're going to get this thing all nice and shiny once again so we can go out there and do it again, because that's exactly what we build this truck, and that's why we do the things that we do out here, for your entertainment, for the fun of just going out there and enjoying these trucks. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep that hammer down.